Hello everyone, this is Komati BG, Assistant Professor of EC Department working in R.M.K College of Engineering and Technology, and the subject we are dealing with is EC 8094 Satellite Communication, right? And what is the objective of this subject is that you should basically understand the basics of satellite orbits, and also you should understand the satellite segment and earth segment. You should know what is a satellite segment and what is a earth segment, and you're going to analyze the various methods of satellite access, and you're going to see where the satellites are being used, that is the applications of the satellite, and also few basic level knowledge of your satellite networks. These are going to be the objectives of this particular subject. Okay, so before moving on to the subject in detail, first we should know the basics of what a satellite is, what a communication is, and put together we should know what is satellite communication. Am I right? First, let us see the syllabus. These are the syllabus of Unit 1, that is according to your Anna University syllabus. Unit 1 is satellite orbits, which covers these different topics starting from Kepler's law to launch vehicles and propulsion. You can have a look at it for a minute. So let's start with the introduction. So basically I said we should start with the basics in order to understand what a satellite communication is, right? Okay, so what a satellite is from your point of view. Satellite usually refers to an object that is going to revolve around the earth or any other body in space, right? For example, moon is a natural satellite, correct? So what is a satellite? Satellite usually refers to an object that is going to revolve around the earth or any other body in space. In the image also you can see that in satellite is being depicted, which is revolving around the earth, right? Now you should know what is communication. So what is communication? Communication is basically exchange of information between two or more entities, which is going to pass through any medium or channel. So now what is satellite communication? So if the communication is going to take place between any two earth stations with the help of a satellite, then it is called as satellite communication. So put together we got an idea of what a satellite communication is. Now I hope you will understand the basic understanding of what is a satellite, what is a communication, and what is a satellite communication. Okay, and here we have given some basic information about satellite communication. So a communication satellite is going to be a radio relay station in orbit above the earth. It is going to receive, amplify, and redirect analog and digital signals, which is going to be carried on a specific radio frequency. Okay, and this picture usually depicts the first satellite being launched in India. So what is the first satellite which was launched in India is Aryabhatta. So this is how they take over the launching process and all. This is how the satellite was set up. Okay, and this is Vikram Sarabhai, who is the father of the Indian space program. You should know him. So if anyone asks you who is the father of Indian space program, you should know that it is Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, and what are the different types of satellites that are present? So different types of satellites that are present are astronomical satellites, communication satellites, weather satellites, navigation satellites, and the satellites which are used for GPS, then radar satellites. There are various types of satellites that are used for various applications. Now the basic point is, what is the need of a satellite? Why we need satellite communication? So earlier we know that there are two types of propagation that is used for communication. One is ground wave propagation and the other is sky wave propagation. And the maximum distance covered by your ground wave propagation is up to 1500 kilometers. So the satellite communication, what it does is that it is going to overcome this limitation and it is going to provide communication for very long distances, even which is beyond line of sight. So that is basically your need for satellite communication. And what are the different elements of your satellite communications? Basically, there will be some elements present on the earth and there will be few present on the space. So basically your satellite communication have two elements. One is space segment and the other one is your ground segment. And the space segment is going to consist of your spacecraft and launch mechanism. The ground segment is going to comprise of the Earth station and network control center of the entire satellite system. And these are the popular satellite frequency bands. That is, the three bands are present here: C band, Ku band, and Ka band, where you have downlink and uplink frequency. So what is downlink and uplink? Uplink is that when your Earth station is transmitting signal to the satellite, that is called as uplink. When the satellite transmits back to the Earth station, then it is called as downlink. Okay, these are the basic terminologies for making you understand what a satellite communication is. I hope you understood this video and these topics. Thank you so much.